Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let me show you how to lose weight with carrot juice. This is very simple to make and also very healthy. Trust me, you are going to lose weight after taking this carrot juice for 1 week. So to make our carrot juice, take out your blender cup, then add your well cleaned carrot into your blender cup. Add your well cleaned ginger roots, your fresh mint leaves. Add your water, just a small amount of water to it. Then cover and blend until it becomes smooth. So guys, this is what my carrot mixture look like after I'm done blending. As you can see, it came out very smooth. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Then go ahead and transfer your carrot puree into your strainer to separate the chaff and the juice. So after separating the juice from the chaff, then go ahead and squeeze in your lime or lemon. So for I'm using 2 lime because this is for 2 glasses. So after squeezing in your lime or your lemon juice, then use a spatula to stir it to give it a quick mix. Then pour it in your 2 serving glasses. Add some ice cube, or you can leave in your refrigerator for it to chill. Then enjoy your juice. Guys, this carrot juice is really healthy for weight loss. I've been taking this for over a month now, and ever since I started taking it, I've lost like 5 kgs. Guys, you know how difficult it is to lose weight, but this drink can help you to manage your weight and also lose weight very fast. Please don't forget to share and like this video.